Hi, I'm Dan with Superior Service Center. With manufacturer's recommendations are important to follow. If you follow those preventive maintenance, scheduled maintenance by the manufacturer, you're going to forego being stuck at the side of the road. Cars are much better equipped today to start in the winter with the fuel injection that they have. Years ago they figured that out, and now the cars are more likely to start in the winter and there's much more problems in the summer with extreme heat. But now, all that said, if you're not doing all the preventative maintenance in the summer months, then it becomes a big problem in the winter months. Ken, could you speak a little bit to some of the preventive maintenance items that you need to do?
Sure. Your car your manufacturer does not require full synthetic oil. It's a good idea to consider putting that in anyways. It stays much more fluid in extreme conditions, so warming up the car and damage to the engine is much less likely. Some of the other things you need to consider as a scheduled maintenance would be the spark plugs, cleaning the fuel injectors, making sure your engine filters are clean and do not obstruct good airflow into the engine. Coolant is always important. Make sure today's cars use extended life coolant, but that doesn't mean you can go 10 plus years on it. Most people are driving their cars a lot longer now than they used to, so it's not unheard of to have cars in the shop that are 15, 20 years old with 100,000+ miles.
Thanks for watching today. I'm Dan at Superior Service Center in both Eagan and Apple Valley.